Did you know that fear and excitement are the same thing? Our bodies experience the two feelings the same way. Your brain doesn't distinguish between a good scare, excitement, and a bad scare, fear. Your brain triggers the same reaction for all kinds of scares. The only difference between fear and excitement is the expected outcome. Fear is worrying about or anticipating something bad. Excitement is worrying about or anticipating something good. As an example, you walk into a dark house and see a man holding a knife. Your body's scare response kicks in. If it's your house and that man is a stranger, you're going to feel fear. If it's a haunted house and you know the guy's an actor, you might be feeling excitement. In both cases, it's a dark house, a man holding a knife. The only difference is your expected outcome. One is scary. The other is kind of fun. Knowing this, how might you reframe fear so it no longer keeps you from taking potentially rewarding chances? Instead of not raising your prices out of fear of rejection, a bad outcome, could you instead focus on the excitement of having them accepted, a good outcome? Instead of not sharing your truth out of fear of judgment, could you instead focus on the excitement of potentially receiving praise? Most of the time, when we choose inaction out of fear, it's because we're anticipating something negative. If we can challenge ourselves instead to focus on a potentially positive outcome, we can shift from fear to excitement. This work takes time and repetition. The more we force ourselves to do it, however, the easier it becomes. That's because the more chances we take, the more we're likely to experience positive outcomes. And the more positive outcomes we experience, the more we can begin to anticipate those rather than some negative unknown. Thanks for watching, and I apologize for my raspy voice. I'll be back next week with my normal voice. If you enjoy these mindset tips, please subscribe to my channel below so that you'll always know when the next video is out.